I have been struggling. Guys, I like big pipe. If it's 12 inch or bigger, I love it. 10 inch is pretty great. 8 inch, it's okay. 6 inch, yeah, it's better than 2 inch. But I have been flat struggling. Oh, check it out. Stayed straight.
Is that it?
It's straight.
Good.
Okay, but been struggling with this thinner wall shit. Don't like it.
We came down to this job, and the first thing we got to weld on was 3 inch. And you should have seen his face. He was super excited.
3 inch skid 160. We did a video on it, and that was so fun. It held heat, run a root, hog a hot pass in there. I mean, dude, we freaking pushed that root in there a long ways, and then just pile a 3 in there. Get that sucker filled all the way up, cap it, throw it on the dirt, get another. Anyways, you guys, be blessed. Like, subscribe, comment. The next video, I'm going to show you guys a couple tricks on a rollout wheel that if you got a big gap or you got a puddle that isn't following you, there's a few things you can do to help yourself out besides turning it down.